We are at the east side trench. This is the 5-inch old cast iron pipe, and we're about to send the camera upline after we perform the lining and the coating process, which is CIPP, cured in place piping. We're about to send the camera upline. Okay. Alright. You can see no more cast iron. This is strictly pipe lining. Some of the streaks. That was from paint earlier. It does not interfere with the drainage or diameter of the pipe. Now we are, not yet, still in the lining. Now we are approaching where the coating is beginning. We are still inside of the aligning. You see that perfect diameter. We're about to go into the old cast iron now, and you can see how that looks. We left the coating, now we're back into pipe lining. We're going to continue to pull the camera forward, or upline. Looking good, looking good. We're still in the lining. This was sanded, so we're still in the lining. So the lining meets the cast iron. We sand this area down. That's why you see it look a little rough, but all of that is protected. Now we are back to the lining, pipe lining. All right, we went up line about 100 feet. We will go to the clean out and go down line. We'll retrieve the camera.